Okay, here's another redneck fix from Granny K. The belt broke on this thing today. So, after a few YouTube videos, it appears that we probably can fix it ourselves. So, the first thing we did was take the screws off of there. Okay, Phillips head. And put them in here. I prefer a baggie because you can close it, and if it drops, you're not going to lose all the pieces. I mean, you can put it in a coffee cup or something if you want, but if it falls off the table or something, then you've got to search everywhere. Okay, so then these, and what I did was use an adjustable wrench, get it to where you can loosen it with your fingers. I have socket set, but I didn't have one that would fit, and it required an 8mm. So adjustable wrench worked fine. Took those off, and they're in here. I put the little socket piece in there too that will fit, because if I find the attachment, I can use it. Otherwise, can just do it with the wrench. All right, so that's the electricals all up in here. And so you just want to, I used a butter knife and pried this part up. See the little clips? All right, and got that sitting on the parcels. So these little clips just hold the top. See, she's an old girl, but she's a good runner. She just needs and then look at that. That's what I heard break today. Look how old that belt is. And that's it. You could be buying a new dryer, or you can go ahead and replace that. And so part 2 is, what we'll do is you take this part off, and then under the drum, which I think what we're going to do is get the car jack put under it just to suspend it, and then take the piece out underneath that. Once you get this cover off, you're not dealing with any electricity here. These are just strictly parts. Once you take this whole cover off and the door just stays on, then you'll have access to under the drum. And that's where the pulley is, that belt goes around this with the rib side. There'll be a rib side to it, and it goes around this, and it'll hook onto a pulley thing on the bottom, which actually looks like one of those little small paint rollers, the little small ones that you edge with. Okay, so that'll be part 2. So don't be afraid to try to fix these things by yourself. I don't do electricity, but none of this is, and we'll just see. And we were going to throw it away anyway, so we might as well give it a try.